Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the voice and audio activity sub-feature within the web and app activity feature in terms of your history settings on the Google website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner and tap on manage your Google account. Then go to the left side column and tap on data and privacy. Scroll down to the history settings section and tap on the web and app activity feature. Then turn on the web and app activity. Tap on turn on down below. Tap on got it. Go to the subsettings section and tap on this include voice and audio activity feature. Read it, then tap on the I agree button, and as you can see, it has been enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.